Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to open image in Lightbox or pop-up when click on button in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page and this is our button. So when we click on it, then we are going to open image in Lightbox. On left side you see content style advanced. So you can do button setting according to requirement. Now you see link and then you see dynamic tag. So click on it. Now you see multiple option and then you see action. Now you see Lightbox. So click on it. Now you see Lightbox. Again click on it. Now you see setting and then you see type. Now you see image. So click on it. Now you see image. So we are going to select image. Choose image. So click on it. Now select this image and then click on select. Now image edit and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now click on button. Now you see image open in Lightbox in Elementor WordPress when we click on button. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.